Now that we've got you to the point where you understand the contract and the contingencies that are levers in this transaction, let's look into how do we establish what to offer to purchase your home. And the way that we as agents determine this is through a comparable market analysis. This is going to take your subject property, the home that you want to buy, and comparing it to other recent sales in the general vicinity that have similar bed, bath, square footage, lot size, a whole bunch of other factors that you let us do the due diligence on to see, are we making a good offer? Sometimes people will boil this down to dollars per square foot, and there's a lot of other metrics we can look into, but know that this is a point where we're going to be looking at, is your home and the offer that you're going to make a good offer relative to what has sold on the market recently. Let's tie this back a little bit to how did we start our search? We're trying to find homes that have sold recently that fit your criteria. All we're trying to do is take that knowledge from the beginning, and then when we find that home here at the very end, tie those together and get you an accepted offer. And now it's almost time to submit that first real offer.